Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Dear student, today our lesson is related to grammar and topic is phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? First of all, we learn about phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb and no and one or two prepositions. We can use a phrasal verb to replace another verb with the same meaning. Listen again carefully. A phrasal verb is made up of a verb and one or two preposition. We can use a phrasal verb to replace another verb with the same meanings, such as the children shouted excitedly when they saw the rainbow. The children cried out. The children cried out excitedly when they saw the rainbow. Johnny cried when his grandmother died. Johnny broke down when his grandmother passed away. Died and passed away is a phrasal verb. Shouted is to cry down. Some of the robbers surrendered and the others escaped. Some of the robbers gave up and the others got away. Different phrasal verbs made from the same verb have different meanings. Here are some common phrasal verbs. Find out the differences in their meanings. Different verbs breaks to phrasal verb break in, break into, break off, break out and break up. Get through, get on, get by, get along with. Give away, give in, give off and give over. Put down, put off, put on, put out, put up with. Look after, look into, look up, look down on, look up to. Come about, come across, come by, come down with, come out, come round, come to, come up with. Dear students, here some verbs and in front of verbs the different phrasal verbs. Dear students, now we use some phrasal verb in sentences. These sentences learned by heart and wrote on your notebooks as a homework. First phrasal verb is break in. He breaks in wild horses. Break into. A thief broke into his house last night. Break off. He broke off relations with his friend. Break out. Plague broke out in the city last year. Get through. He worked hard and got through the examination. Next, get on. He decided to get on with the plan. And get by. How are you getting by these days? Dear student, these 7 phrasal verb and making in sentences is your homework task. You can learn by heart and wrote on your notebooks as HW. Wassalam.